Hi there, I'm back again, and I am focused. And I have a 16 by 20 inch canvas. And I just started to play a few minutes ago with my paint shovels. And they are not sand shovels, they are paint shovels. I created some wonderful colors in a random pattern, and they just kept getting more and more random, and I will add colors as I feel I need them. But the tools, the shovel is great for making marks. So, this time I have started by allowing myself partial black and a partial white side, and we'll see how far that goes. It's pretty hot out here today, like stupid hot, like 90s, but so far so good. We've been lucky. I tried very hard to pull the camera back. Oh, I gotta go get that music off. Can you turn the music off for me? I'm making a movie. Can you turn the music off for me? I'm making a movie. Can you turn the music off for me?
Yes, did I turn it on?
He's just up from his nap, so I'm sorry if I seem impatient, but I don't like having advertisements on my videos, and that's pretty much what happens if I leave the music on. And I was letting my camera battery cool down because it was very, very hot. And it seemed like a good idea at the time to take enough of a break to let it cool down, and hopefully it has. I say battery, but it was actually just the camera, because the batteries are no longer. We've got a plug-in transformer. I don't know what you call it right now. Anyway, I'm pretty focused. I don't want to really waste any time or any paint, and I hate watching people. Well, no, I don't hate anything, but I'm not a big fan of making you watch me while I prime a canvas. But that is what's happening, so I best get used to it. I am still experimenting, and it seemed to work out okay with straight up, well, not straight up, Walmart semi-gloss white interior house paint and 10% GAC 800. And when I get some more white Artist Loft in the bulk size from Michael's, I will for certain at that point add both the Floetrol and some more of the Artist Loft to that. I don't really want to waste any more time. I hate wasting time. But if we run out of time, I can go over. I just did a 12 by 16 canvas, and it was so yummy that it made me want to immediately, or ASAP, as soon as possible, get to this. I'm sorry for all my European friends if I talk too fast. I'm just talking, just rambling while I'm trying to get stuff done. I don't know how this is going to be, but I didn't know how the other one was going to be. That's going in the bucket. Now, have shovel. I want some contrast in here, because even though I have great colors, I want something darker. And probably something lighter. Oh, yes. And maybe something more golden. I so wish I had not put the caps. Yes, something more golden. Back onto my paint bottles. But if I leave them off too long, open sesame, thank you. If I leave them off too long, they clog up anyway. So, let's say to heck with the red shovel, since I've got a yellow shovel, and get some of my paint out of the way. Here goes nothing. I'm going to do some stuff I always wanted to do, just like nobody was watching me at all. And I'm going to do it starting right here. I'm going to pour some of that right over the end. I'm going to let my shovel just continuously make as much pattern as I can possibly get out of a shovelful. I'm going to go kind of slow, because that seems like it might be the only way it might work. And I can see right now that if I spatula some of that paint down, I got a little bit of shot to make it go a little further. And I don't mind that black line. But I am going to take that orange right now, because I can, Try and be a little delicate with it. I would like, well, you know, I can always add some more paint. But right now, I'm going to use every bit of paint on that spatula. I'm always talking about how I can fake things, so let's see if I'm still capable or not. Like I said, I can always camouflage that. In the meantime, what else am I going to do? It's looking pretty cool. I'm going to go over there. Loving my stripes. I'll let some of that go down over the edge. I'm going to keep using my skewer to drag paint along. I got a sort of a three-dimensional effect. I'm liking the cells coming through. It's not like you can really stop them, so you might as well like them. I think maybe the other way entirely. Yes, maybe not. Maybe the other way entirely like I thought. Yes. So that's pretty cool. I could just stop right there and be pretty happy, to tell you the truth. Oh yeah, great colors. I didn't tip the canvas this time. Maybe this will be that moment I find out if I can make circles. No, not this exact moment, I guess. But kind of cool, just the same. I love too much stuff in my way. Gotta pardon me, I'm a little out of sorts. It's a lot hot. I don't know what to do. I'm lost for the moment. Okay, let's see if we can do this one-handed. Yeah. Oh, that looks like it's going to link up. Cool. I don't even know how I did that. Just let it drain right out of that shovel. When you get to the edge, hold it a little bit off. Let some of it drop right down over the edge. That's cool. But what I'm seeing is I either want to add some yellow. Let's see what happens if I add some yellow. I like that. I don't know if it's exactly what I want yet. Just skewer things right into place. I'm going to add some to my dish in a, yet again, random pattern. Not only am I going to add that yellow, which just plugged up on me, I'm going to throw some more orange in there. Orange does like to take things over, but I'm not really having a hard time with it. I do want some other tools. Do I have the small... Oh, yes, I do. Okay, I have a small scoop, and I'm going to try it because I can. Also, since I'm right here, I'm going to throw some blue in there. Also because I can. Oh, something else just fell in there. Not what I had in mind. Let's blow that out just in case there's more schmutz that I was unaware of. All right, I always wanted to try this, so now I'm going to try it. Yep, I'm liking multi-sizes. Might as well try it, right? So, you got one of these buried in your kitchen drawer? Pull it out. I say, pull it out. I just want time to think, and I don't have time to think. But I do have 10 minutes left, so let's just, let's pretend I have time to think. And I'm going to throw some of that in there. And leaping lizards, literally, they're leaping all over the place. We just had a big storm. I said that already, I think. I like the green in there. I think the green is going to be good. Do I really want to put it right there? Maybe I do. Yep, maybe I do. Maybe. Try and fall short if you're making a line, because that way you have a better chance of not overburdening that area with your paint. I got moisture rolling down my face. It's so hot out here. Now I know at some point in time I can actually spiral this stuff, but I'm wondering while I'm right here, if my medical tubing will unearth some color, so I'm going to try it. Yep, I'm liking that. I'm not sure about that. But I suppose there's always a chance I can come back and cover it up with something if I need to later. I'm thinking, what am I thinking? I'm thinking some red added to my mix. And then, ooh, that's not even red, that's really nice magenta. Wow. Okay, so this is still really cool with all that negative space. And there's probably going to come a point in time when I bitch. Oh, when I complain. That I shouldn't have done something. So I think I'm going to just let myself play. And remember that I really liked the black and white two-sided shovel pour. So we'll do that again sometime. But those nice cells, huh? I'm going to destroy them right now, unfortunately. Well, I'm liking what the tubing is doing. So nothing's stopping me from doing that. This is bizarre. Do I really want to put something on the dark side? I don't know. Do I want to put any more of these over there? Maybe. I'm going to grab... Oh yes. I think the only thing I don't like about this bead pan is that it hides some of my colors for me. In that skinny little neck of its. Where the beads are supposed to come out, where I have it taped. If my head is in your way, I'm so sorry. Nobody's perfect. Definitely not me. That's cool. Oh, I'm having a good time. I gotta tell you what. I'm just gonna scrape that shovel right out. And I'm gonna play with what I've got there. I always did like snaky, winding, ropey, pipey. You know what I'm saying. All kinds of stuff. I'm going to take that tubing again. Because as dark as that is, I don't think anything's going to hurt. I don't know. I do know that if I want, since that'll fit in there, I can just grab it. And maybe that's what I'll do. I'll just go in there and grab it and see, yep, if we can make some other usefulness out of that color, those colors, because they are just wonderful comic book colors. So fun. And I got stuff on the back, and I'm going to take my bamboo skewer. Liking how that house paint is working. I really am. I like the organic shapes. There may be a few more of those coming. I got a feeling. I'll probably run out of time on this. I've got 5 minutes left. And honestly, it wouldn't take much for me to decide to stop now because it's so cool. I'm very pleased with my colors and my shapes, and I don't know what else I want to do. I want to do all kinds of stuff. I'm going to take my spatula and move some of that red color that I like and some of the blue color that I like, trying very hard not to make mud, down to the bottom. Yep. And wonder if I can spin this turntable. And stop. Ha! I don't know if that was good or not, but it wasn't horrible either. So let's see what happens. I'm going to try and pretend that it's just emerging from behind something else. I think it might be time to grab my little spoon if it's here. I didn't even think about that. I have a nice little flat front spoon that's even thinner than this. Just see what happens when I cross over. I would like to stop dripping. That's the first thing I would like. But that's just part of the process. To me, that's just something we're going to have to deal with. I love this color here. I wish it dried as brightly. That was too bad. I just kind of ruined my stripe there. Let's see if I can fake it back into submission. It's not hurting my feelings any right now. I want to throw some white or some blue in there, I think. I definitely want to throw some blue in here. I could remix this. I don't mind that splooge there. If I could have my black back, that would be even better, because that basically just dredged up the black that was underneath. The thing is, do I want to try and make anything stand out? A few little things here and there. I really liked this in the beginning. I could have stopped. I really could have. She's sitting wishing she had done so. I am going to try and save some white. I'm going to try not to go too much further with anything, but it's kind of compelling. Ooh, I just got a deja vu. Try and see what I get this way. Let's wipe that skewer off so when we drag paint, don't drag white. If that timer goes off, I will start it again. And I think I might as well start it again now, to tell you the truth. So, I'm going to say, nah, I got another minute. I'm having too much fun to stop yet. Somebody said something about Dr. Seuss trees in one of my pieces, and I understand exactly what that means right now. That's what all of this looks like to me. Looks like Dr. Seuss spirals. Remember, you can go back in and you can take any of the cool looking paint you've got in your tools if you're using shovels or kitchen scoops or spatulas or even dustpans. And yeah, I'm not so sure I did that as well as I wanted to. I was busy talking. I can fix it if I want to. Yeah, I don't think I mind that too much. That's cool. I could use a few more somewhere else. Make sure I don't pull too much white with me. That's an interesting splooge I didn't really remember putting in there until I just looked at it. And it's right in the middle. And I never thought of that color green and that color blue going together, but all kinds of stuff. Hey, it disappeared out of there. Wow. Okay, so that top half is pretty cool. And I know for a fact that I got enough time to say goodbye